am making a cherry swirl fudge. I've got my package of chocolate chips first and a can of sweetened condensed milk. So I'm going to microwave this. I'm going to let the heat finish melting that while I get my pan prepared. Now, you could layer this if you want, but I'm going to swirl it. And I've got my red candy wafers here, and I ran out of red, so I'm going to hopefully finish with the white. I hope this doesn't turn it pink. We'll see. So I've got that, and then my sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to melt this together. Okay, I'm going to add just a teensy tiny bit of red food coloring just to make it super red. And then adding my cherry flavoring. So now I'm going to take, pour it into my chocolate. I'm just going to work and just fold it in. Lift, turn and lift. All right, now I'm gonna stick this in the fridge for several hours or overnight, and then we will cut it. I got my fudge. It is very cold. That looks pretty darn tootin' good. Okay, here's a short squatty one. Yeah, that's really delicious. Oh, yum.